I'm done trying to convince you to change your mind.
What are you gonna do about it then?
I'm gonna kill you.
The great and mighty king of unstable SMP. Parrot, this isn't your kingdom anymore. It's mine.
Death trap is constructed around unstable spawn point. And just like that, the old players crowned Saparata the second king of the unstable SMP. Having lost my army, the location of Theo and Reyna, and also being banished from my kingdom, coming back to me seemed practically impossible. But someday,